Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Kesorkar Jilla Bapa Lyngdoh belong ru no ektian Jaka Sorkar MDA ulah penchai baka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act kam dei setia ka an ka bala Shna ban Bujli Jaka Inline Permit haka jing ekran bigilap thai kubor haka ar penyotri ujili arja pesan halor ka jing ong Jong ka Voice of the People Party baka Mrssa kamla benlong ka an ka ba mi Bujli haka Jaka Jong ka ILP ubapa loong baka Mrssa kadai tangkaan belasna da kejela ya keba la ban penkela hak nu kapor kat kom kajing I don kam Jong Kesorkar Jilla.
See, the MRSSA is not supposed to be a substitute or an adjunct to the ILP, but the MRSSA is a state law under which the government and also the state assembly had several rounds of debates. And it is, in one sense, an improvement upon the ILP because it has been drafted and framed by lawmakers of this century. The ILP emerged from the Eastern Bengal Frontier Act, which was framed by the colonial rulers. So, to that extent, the MRSSA would also allow the state assembly to come up with amendments from time to time, as and when needed. So, I leave it to the wisdom of the electorate, but here we have a state act which we are at liberty to improve upon at any point of time without waiting for the centre's nod on the same.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.